Hi guys, it's Desiree Catana here with Redken Pro. I am so excited to talk to you guys about a new product launching in the acidic bonding concentrate line. So walking through what we have already, which is our shampoo and conditioner, my favorite in my shower, the 5-minute mask, the leave-in treatment, and the serum, which we all know and love. Now launching is the hair bandage balm. This is an amazing new product I am so excited to put into my routine. It's meant for zones 3, which is for me, the driest part of my hair. So a little bit goes a long way with this guy, just a bit on the fingers and in through the ends for your split ends, reseals them and feels good as new. So who doesn't love that? So excited. This line is my favorite for people with color treated or dry hair like myself. This product is able to be used on dry or damp hair. I love it on damp before I blow dry because it has 450-degree protection for the hair. A little goes a long way, guys. You really don't need much. So even though it's a small size, it is mighty. You can use this for a very, very long time. My hair is notorious for having split ends because I refuse to cut it. This repairs split ends up to 96%. Seals them so it feels shiny and moisturized. This is the perfect addition to the acidic bonding concentrate line, and I'm so excited for you guys to try it. The number one question I've been getting asked is what is the difference between the 3 leave-in products in this line? So I want to walk through that with you guys. The original leave-in product, my favorite is for all over on damp hair. It's super lightweight, so when I'm looking for my big bouncy blowout like I have today, it's not gonna weigh it down. When I'm reaching for the 24/7, I love this before I go to bed. It's super lightweight. It has a bit more of the active ingredient than the original, so I am getting a bit more of that benefit, but I don't have to be afraid to use it because it is so lightweight. And finally, our new product, which is the Hair Bandage Balm, is the most concentrated version of the 3, which means I'm putting it on the driest parts of my hair. So the parts of my hair that get abused the most, let's be honest, bleach, brushing, heat styling, that's when I'm using this guy because it has the 8% of the active ingredient of citric acid in it. So this one is really meant for the parts of your hair that you're abusing the most. And for me and for most people, that's zone 3. So that's the difference between the 3. And I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands in it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, I'm Desiree Catana. If you want to follow me at Desiree Catana. And for more tips and tricks on how to use all of the Redken products, you can follow at Redken Pro.